Hey out there YouTube, it is Tam over here at HaulandCo, and I just want to tell you a thank you for stopping by my channel. If you are new here, you will find lots of grocery hauls, some cleaning videos, and this week I joined with a couple of my friends this week while doing this video, and I will leave links to their channels below or somewhere in this box or both, but I do encourage you to check out their channels. I consider them longtime friends here on YouTube, and I think you will really enjoy their channels. If you're stopping by my channel from theirs, I want to tell you welcome, and I hope that you find something you like. As always, leave your comments in the description and let us know what you had for dinner. So I hope you enjoy this video of what we made for some of our dinners in our home this week. I have to tell you, we're not overly healthy cookers. Look, sometimes feeding our family around here is just what we can get thrown on the table. But I think the idea is the foods that you will find in these videos are not overly complicated and something that you guys could choose as an option for a meal in your house. So thanks for joining me. Let's get to the video, and I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments. See you soon.
Hey, bro, don't you look at that. I said, my friend, what you looking at? I think she is something for me. Excuse me, miss, it's my first time here. Maybe you can show me out of here. I think she got something indeed. So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can. And knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all. And we can. Got me saying, hey, girl, will you marry me? 2 kids in a house and live happily. I think we are so meant to be. But she says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me. I'm telling you this now. You don't need to worry, 'cause I got this all down. And we get on together. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can. And knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all. And we can. Whoa, 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 so please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can. Knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all. And we can. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can. And knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all. And we can.
All right, friends, this is one of our favorite recipes. It is the shrimp tacos with the homemade slaw, and it is really super easy. The shrimp take no time to cook up, and the slaw is tangy. It's a crowd pleaser, and it is seriously one of our favorites, and I would definitely recommend this dish.
Even when my teardrops start to dry. Even when the sun begins.
All right, everyone, this is a favorite American dish, biscuits and gravy. Not the kind of biscuits I'm sure Leon is having there in Australia, but I honestly have to tell you guys, I forgot about you on this night. I totally forgot I was doing a what's for dinner So it was simple. Just some bacon and eggs, biscuits and gravy, and some waffles.
I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of.
All right, friends, so this is me making my mushrooms on the side. Mattia hates mushrooms. Andrea and I love them. So I saute them up in a big bunch at a time. We either eat them all or we eat a few and keep the rest in the fridge for another dish, which you will see. And then I'm just chopping up my onion to put into my meat to help flavor that up for some of these spaghetti sauce. There they are, looking yummy. I love mushrooms. Do you? Let me know in the comments.
I'm so tired of you.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you.
All right, I am not for sure if we are the only ones that use old hamburger buns or old bread as a garlic bread, but it works perfect, just perfect with some cheese. Here's the finished project, and that was dinner.
You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
This is also a favorite, and it's so easy to do. It is boneless chicken thighs in this recipe, but you could use chicken breast or leftover pulled chicken. Anything really would work, but this is a favorite, and cooking it in our cast iron is also a favorite. We like to grill this on our grill as well, but it just worked easier this night. It was really hectic, and I was not feeling great, so I just didn't want to uncover the grill. But it's really good in cast iron. It gets really kind of sticky,
and yummy, and it's a favorite. So we can make this a lot. You can serve this on potatoes. You could do it, we ate it with some rice on this night, or you can just eat it by itself. It's actually pretty low carb. You can skip all of the sauces and things like that add carbs to your meal, but this has always been a favorite, even if I'm counting calories or watching the portions. So I encourage you to make this recipe.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m.
All right, everyone, these are the sauces we're gonna use for these chicken thighs that we're going to eat over the rice. And then we have some asparagus cooking in the back. So I'm just using what I have in the fridge. We're going to do a little bit of teriyaki sauce. I have a little bit of sweet chili sauce. And then for a little bit of spice, we will put a little bit of sriracha. The point is, I call this the sticky chicken thighs, sweet chili, sticky chicken thighs. I love to cook them in the cast iron because they will literally get that sticky, kind of crispy coated feel to them. So we're gonna get these turned because they're getting nice and brown on the other side. And then we will wait until a lot of the moisture cooks out before we add all of our sauces, because that's how you really get that sticky coating on your chicken. All right, so I can hear them frying. You can also hear everybody fixing ceiling fans in the background. So I'm gonna just add some of the teriyaki sauce. Now, typically, the way I like to do these is I like to marinate these in the fridge, sometimes in the like in a Ziploc, overnight or however long for the day. But we weren't for sure how we were gonna cook them. We were gonna grill them, and now we've been cleaning and house projects, so we're just gonna do them in the skillet. I really love doing the chicken thighs in the cast iron. So, all right, so they are browning up. We're getting a little bit of the coating on the pan. I'm actually now going to probably pop, I should have just put the asparagus in here with the chicken, but I'm thinking that the asparagus I might just put in here once I get the sauce going. But yum. These are a little more greasy than the last ones we cooked, but still good quality, so. We've got some of the sweet chili sauce. This is from Trader Joe's, and I have never found one that I really like any better. This brings us to the end of this What's for Dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to check out my friends FeedATribe and Simply Honest Living. I am sure you will find tons of great recipes. Tonight for dessert, I figured since we were being good and having grilled chicken and vegetables, we can have some of our favorite pastries. We usually just get these and then cut them in half. So this is tonight's dessert.
So why you bother? This is nothing you can run from. hope you make it, 'cause I can't change it anyway.